Hello students, hope you are fine and safe at home. Welcome to the science class. This is your science teacher. My name is Fatima. I am going to take science for class 5. Students, as we have already started semester 2, lesson 1, soil. Yes, in today's class we are going to continue the same. Yes, before starting, take out your semester 2 textbook, your new notebook, your pencils and your erasers. Keep all these things along with you and please take out page number 196 children. Page number 196. Yes? Page number 196. Soil profile. Take out page number 196. Our today's topic is soil profile. In the previous class, we have learned what are soil, why is soil important, and how is soil formed. Yes, we have seen the process, right? Yes, in today's class, we see soil profile. Lesson 1, soil, page number 196, and our topic is for soil profile. Children, what is soil profile? Different layers of soil. Yes? So, soil, as we have already learned, what is soil? Children, soil has different layers. Different layers of soil is known as soil profile. Different layers of soil is known as soil profile. So soil has 3 layers, children. How many? 3. The first one is topsoil. Topsoil is a uppermost soil. Subsoil, it's between the topsoil and bedrock. Yes, below topsoil and above bedrocks. Yes. And bedrock is the lowermost layer. So we have 3 layers. Soil profile means different layers of soil. So we see the different layers of soil. Soil has 3 layers: topsoil, subsoil and bedrocks. Yes, we will see this with an example diagram, children. First, can you see this layer? This is a topsoil. Can you see the middle layer? This is known as a subsoil. Can you see this down layer? This is a bedrock. So first we are going to see what is topsoil. Yes, this is a topsoil, children. Yes. So what topsoil contains? What topsoil contains? We are going to see that. So look on page number 196. There are different types of soil, each with its own set of characteristics. Yes, dig down deep into any soil and you will see that it is made of 3 layers. When we deeply dig the soil, we get 3 layers, children. Yes. So what they are saying? There are different types of soil. Yes, there are different types of soil, children. Each one has its own characteristics, means it has its own features, it has its own qualities. Yes, dig down deep into the soil. When we dig, children, when we dig deep in the soil, we get 3 layers of soil. That is topsoil, subsoil and bedrocks. Yes, on putting these 3 layers together, soil profile is formed. When we keep these 3 layers together, soil profile is formed, children. Yes. Let's study the brief about soil profiles. Now we are going to study briefly about these 3 layers. Yes. Shall we start? First one. This first one is a topsoil. Yes. It is the uppermost layer of soil profile. Yes. So we will see the topsoil. This one is a topsoil, children. Yes, top layer. First layer of soil. So it is the uppermost layer of soil profile and it is rich in nutrients. So this layer is rich in nutrients. It has many nutrients. The substance that helps the living organisms to grow is known as nutrients. It also contains humus and inorganic matter. In the previous class, I have already told you, children, what is humus. Humus is a dead and it is a matter of dead and decayed plants. It is an organic matter of which contains dead and decayed plants and animals. Yes. So top layer contains nutrients. Top layer has humus and organic matter. It is usually brown in color and darker than rest of the horizons. Compared to these two layers, this layer is a darker layer, children. It is brown in color. Yes. So what we have learned? Top layer has nutrients. Yes. Which one is a top layer? Top soil. First layer is a top soil. So this layer has nutrients. We are talking about this layer. This layer has nutrients. It has humus and organic matter. It is brown in color, children, or dark color. It is dark color compared to these two layers. Yes, we shall know. It contains fine materials such as sand, clay, mud, air and water. So what this layer contains, children? This layer has sand also, mud also, clay also, water and also air. Yes. It contains, top layer contains what, children? Mud, clay, air, sand and water. Yes. This layer provides all the necessary nutrients to the plant. So this layer plays an important role, children, because this layer has all the nutrients which required for the plant. These are your plants, children. So this layer, that is topsoil, provides necessary nutrients which is required for the plant. So let's see. The first layer is topsoil. The first layer is topsoil. This is your first layer. This is your first layer, children. So it contains what it contains? It contains humus. It contains nutrients. It contains organic matter. It contains sand, clay, mud, yes, air and water. Yes, did you get? This layer provides all the necessary nutrients which is required for the plants to grow, for the plants to survive. Yes, did you get that? So topsoil, that is the first layer which is very important for the growth of plants and for the survival of plants. Did you get about the topsoil? Shall we move to the next layer? This is first layer, children. We have learned about first layer. This will be your second layer. That is subsoil. Yes, the second layer is the subsoil. Subsoil is present below topsoil and above bedrock. See, it is subsoil is below topsoil and above bedrock. That is, it is in the middle of the, it is a middle layer. It is a second layer. It is present below the subsoil and above the bedrock. Yes, the roots of the plants reach up to this layer. See, these roots are reaching here also in the second layer. Yes, children. So the roots of the plant comes till subsoil. Yes, the roots of the plant reach up to this layer of the soil. Yes, the roots of the, can you see the roots of the plant? They come to this layer also. They are rich in clay. Yes, they are rich in clay, children. This layer of soil is often less fertile than the topsoil. Yes, but it holds more moisture. So the first layer is more fertile, children. The second layer, that is the subsoil, is lowest fertile. Fertile means the ability of producing something. Yes, this has less fertile, but second layer has more Second layer is light in color. Yes. It contains rock particles. Yes. Small particles will be right, children. It contains rock particles. Yes. We'll see about the second one. Yes. So subsoil. Subsoil is below topsoil and above bedrock. This will be our first point. Then what we have learned? The roots will reach up to this layer. Will reach up to this layer. That is the second layer. See, can you see the roots coming to subsoil also? This layer also? Yes. Then what we learned? They are rich in clay. This soil has clay, children. What is clay? Clay is one type of sand which is very soft, which is very moist. It helps to bind easily. Yes? Rich in clay. This layer is often less fertile. It is less fertile, children, compared to topsoil. Subsoil is less fertile compared to topsoil. Yes? But it has more moisture. Why it has moisture, children? Because it is rich in clay. That's why it has more moisture. Yes? It's generally light in color. Topsoil was dark in color, subsoil is light in color. Yes? Then we will see it contains rock particles. Can you see small particles, children? These are known as rock particles. It contains rock particles. So subsoil, that is the second layer of the soil. It contains, they are rich in clay, it is less fertile, it has more moisture, it is light in color, it contains rock particles, the roots of the plant reach till subsoil. Yes, it is present below the topsoil and above the bedrock. It is the middle layer of the soil. It is the middle layer of the soil. So we have completed topsoil and subsoil. Now we are going to see about the third layer. This is your third layer. What it's called as? Bedrocks. It is known as bedrocks. First layer, topsoil. Second layer, subsoil. Third layer is bedrock. So let's see. Bedrock is the lowermost layer of the soil profile. So in this soil profile, bedrock is the third layer, means lowermost layer. Yes, it is the last layer. It is the lowermost layer in this soil profile. Yes, when the topsoil, subsoil and the bedrocks come together, it is known as soil profile. So it is a third layer, lowermost layer. It contains large pieces of rocks. Can you see this rocks, children? It is the third bedrocks contains large pieces of rocks. Can you see these rocks? Yes. This layer contains very less amount of water. So bedrocks contains only large rocks, children. It doesn't have humus. Yes, it doesn't have organic matter. It has nothing, but it has only large amount of rocks. Can you see these rocks? These are rocks. These are large amount of rocks. This layer contains less amount of water. This layer has more water. This is comparatively less and this is more less. Yes, in this layer water is very less. Did you understand the three layers of soil, children? Yes. So we shall do a recap. What is soil profile? Different layers of soil is known as soil profile. So soil profile has three layers: topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. Topsoil contains required for the soil. Top soil is dark in color. Top soil is in brown color. Top soil contains humus, organic matter. Yes? Second, subsoil. Subsoil is light in color. The roots of the soil reach till, the roots of the plant reach till subsoil. Yes? It is less fertile. Yes? But it has more moisture. Because it has clay in this layer is rich in clay. So that's why this layer has more moisture. Yes? And what else? It contains rock particles. Can you see small rock particles, children? This layer contains small rock particles. Coming to the last layer, the lowermost layer of the soil profile, that is bedrock. It contains large rocks. Yes, it contains less amount of water. Did you understand? Different layers of soil. Soil consists of, soil profile means different layers of soil. There are three layers: top soil, subsoil, and bedrock. By this you have completed your topic, soil profile. Did you understand what is soil profile? Soil profile means different layers of soil. So how many layers we have studied? 3 layers. That is top soil, subsoil, and bedrock. Yes. Hope you all have understood which layer contains what. Yes. By this we have completed this topic, children. We shall continue this lesson in the next topic. Hope you all have understood. Thank you, children. Have a nice